Hi, I am Marcin. In this video, you will learn how to get started with a GitHub Copilot, the AI-powered programmer that boosts your productivity right inside the Visual Studio Code. What is the Copilot? Copilot is an AI tool that helps you write code faster by suggesting entire lines or blocks of code as your type. This is especially handy for repetitive tasks, boilerplate, unit tests, and exploring new APIs. What you learned today? We'll cover installation, setup, how to use Copilot with JavaScript, and some key best practices and limitation. Let's dive in. What we need for today? So, we need to have the Visual Studio Code, a GitHub account, internet connection, and JavaScript project, or just a JavaScript file open in the Visual Studio Code. For the running the GitHub Copilot, it is required to have the paid subscription, but for this tutorial you can use the free plan of the GitHub Copilot. To install GitHub Copilot extension, we need to go to the Extension tab, put the name of the extension, click the blue button Install. After a few seconds, the extension will be installed. Next, we need to sign off to the GitHub to assign to our subscription. We choose the user, click Continue. If we have some organization, we also need to choose. The credential will be sent to the Visual Studio Code, and everything is active. Right now, we can verify if it's working. We put just hi, and we see the answer from the Copilot. Perfect. We can use the GitHub Copilot to write the code for us by providing the information in the comments. So in this scenario, we want to have the function that will be return the prime numbers from the range 1 to n. So by clicking the tab, we confirm that we approve the content. So we have the function isPrime, get primes up to n, and also some kind of part that providing usage of this two function. Copilot is good not only for the writing the code, but also the providing some kind of instruction for us. For example, if we don't know how to run the code, we can ask Copilot for this. So we write the instruction, how to run this code, and Copilot will make verification about the context of our code, make the analysis, and provide some kind of hints how to run this application. So for doing it, we need the terminal. We provide the command, and we can just running the or JavaScript file. Okay, and the output is the same as we have in the command. So everything is working correctly. GitHub Copilot is also perfect not only with the pure JavaScript language, but also with some kind of libraries and frameworks. So for example, if we want to create a new React component, also we can use the Copilot to do it. So similarly, we provide the instruction in the command. And by using the technique approving by the tab, we can approving the code generated by the Copilot. So after the few seconds, we have the full functional React component. To recap, you have learned how to install GitHub Copilot in the Visual Studio environment. Use it with the JavaScript, write few functions, and navigate its case range and limitation. Next action, what you can do it is try to Copilot in your own project and see what you can do it for you. You can be impressed. Drop a comment if you have questions or want to share your experience. It will be pleasure to me to answer to your question and make more help. And what is very important for me, don't forget to like or subscribe and check my next videos. I will be providing more information about the GitHub Copilot. Thanks you for the watching and happy coding.